Hi peeps, my name is Zina and I am aging ethically. Well, today I have to be somewhere kind of important mid-afternoon, so I'm going to do a look that's kind of pedestrian and neutral. That is fluorescent light friendly. And that is the look I'm going to achieve today. You guys, my last video, I was testing out some products. I did my hip or skip video. It's going to be the first one in the series. And I'm so glad it came out the way that it did. It's so imperfect in almost every way. My bangs weren't trimmed. My wrinkles were in full glory, as always. My makeup, my eyeliner application was so wonky. I'm proud of it, but it's just so funny to me because I filmed that video as I was preparing for work, and right toward the end when it came time to put on my makeup, I had to like kick it into high gear and rush. And so the makeup is so wonky, but I love it so much. And one of the things you will learn as you age and as you get older is that you just don't care anymore. You just don't care. Like when I was in my 20s and even in my 30s, I really used to care what people thought. I used to be very defensive. I never would leave my house without makeup. And as I entered my 40s, I don't know what happens, and there wasn't like a time in which I'm like, this is the moment. One day you just wake up. I can't pinpoint it. I can't tell you exactly when this happens. But one day you just wake up and you're like, meh. Some people are blessed with that their entire lives, you know. I wasn't one of those people. I used to always care, and I used to be very self-conscious, but I've gotten so comfortable in my own skin now that it translates into my YouTube channel. Like I'll make a video where I do just terrible makeup, and I'm just gonna post it anyway because I still had fun making it and I just want to share it with you guys, and it's honest, and this is how I be. I buy all of the cosmetics and stuff that I review on this channel, and I spend a lot of money on this stuff, and I do it because I'm gonna buy it anyway and I love to do it. I love playing with makeup. However, it would be nice to collaborate and work with some vegan and cruelty-free companies. So I went on to Logical Harmony's blog. And if you don't know about that blogger, I'm gonna put a link down below, but she keeps very in tune with what's happening in the vegan and cruelty-free community. And she posts really detailed lists of companies which sell vegan and cruelty-free products, and I believe she comes out with a new one every year. So I checked the 2019 list and I contacted every single company that was vegan and cruelty-free. Some companies got back to me right away. Some companies offered me, I should say that I introduced myself to the companies. I told them what my vision is with this channel and all my social media is 100% vegan. And basically I want to promulgate, my life's work is to promulgate a vegan and cruelty-free lifestyle, happy and healthy and beautiful. Started out at first, and I sent out a few emails saying, oh, I'm going to charge like this minimal amount to do an Instagram post. And then that was like the first 10 companies. And then I backtracked and I'm like, you know what? I'm not going to charge anything. I already sent those emails out. But the remainder of 80 to 100 companies, I don't even know how many companies I contacted. I stipulated that I'm not looking to get paid. I would just be overwhelmingly happy to receive a product or two to try and share on all of my social media platforms. I was really shocked by the response, and some of the bigger companies, which I won't name, but you can imagine in your mind who's vegan and cruelty-free and come up with a list. Some of the bigger companies responded and they're like, look, we love your message, but we have certain criteria that our influencers have to meet, and maybe in the future we can work together. And that just, the fact that they even responded to me and said that was so magical. But I did hear from other companies who are willing to work with me and who are sending me some products. So I will be sharing those videos with you. In fact, some of them started to arrive. I have I mean, there weren't a lot, you know. So far, there are about 4 or 5 companies who are actually sending me stuff, and I can't tell you how cool that is. The first response with a yes was just so exciting to me. Like, I can't properly express to you in words how amazing that felt. But this is one of the first packages that's arrived, and I'm going to be opening this for you. I'm just so happy, guys. And I will tell you in these videos where I open this stuff and I use them and I try them, I will tell you which products I've actually purchased and which products were sent to me in PR. I can't believe I'm actually saying that. I'm getting PR. Oh, God. Now here is a little video of all the products that I've purchased and that I will be using for my look today. All right, guys, let's get into this pedestrian makeup gig. No. Oh! Jesus Christ. Oh.
Let's get scratching.
Today I used the Pure Cosmetics Visionary palette, which is absolutely amazing. Really, really creamy mattes and shimmers, and they're highly pigmented. But today I used a very, very light hand because I want this look to be as natural as possible. Thank you guys for joining me today. I cannot wait to share with you the little PR packages that I'm about to receive. I will always tell you guys which videos contain products that I've purchased, contain products that are PR, and in the future contain sponsored material. So for right now, I am just accepting some samples and some free things from companies just so that I can introduce you guys to some of these companies that you may or may not have heard of. And I think the universe needs to know about all of these vegan and cruelty-free companies that are doing wonderful things. As always, guys, I post brand new videos every Monday and Friday. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch them. I really do appreciate it. I really, truly do. And please comment down below. I love interacting with you guys as well. It means quite a bit to me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye! That's Cheyenne saying goodbye. Bye!